In today's video, I am going to teach you how to contact Brevo support. If you are trying to get help with your account, settings, or any feature issues, contacting support is the best next step. I will guide you through where to find the support options and how to submit a formal request. To begin, look at the top right side of your screen. In that area, you will find a question mark icon, usually displayed as a small circle with a question mark inside. Click that question mark icon to open the Help and Support menu. This step matters because it is the gateway to all of the support tools that Brevo provides directly within the interface. After you click the question mark icon, a menu or panel should appear. Take a moment to look for the option that is labeled Support and Tickets. Select Support and Tickets to continue. This selection is important because it takes you from general help resources into the specific place where you can manage requests and contact the support team. Once you have opened Support and Tickets, you should now be in the area where ticket-related actions are available. At this point, you are ready to open a support ticket. Look for a button or link that says Open a Support Ticket. Selecting this will start the process of creating a formal request that support can review and respond to. When you choose to open a support ticket, the next action is to submit your request to the team. Find the option that reads Contact your support team. Click that option to begin submitting your formal request. This is the key step where your message is routed to the correct support channel, so it is a good idea to be ready with the details you want to include, such as what you were trying to do and what happened instead. After you click Contact your support team, you may be asked to provide information in a request form. Follow the prompts on screen carefully. Pay attention to any fields that ask for the topic of your issue, a description, or other relevant context. If the form includes a place to add details, take a moment to explain the situation clearly and directly, so support can understand the problem without having to guess. As you complete the request, make sure you review what you entered before submitting. Even though this process is designed to be straightforward, checking your information helps prevent delays. If there are options for categories or reasons, choose the one that best matches your situation, since that helps the support team route your ticket appropriately. Finally, submit the ticket using the Submit button or the confirmation option shown in the interface. After submission, the ticket is officially created, and support can take it from there. Depending on the system, you may also be able to view your ticket status later within the Support and Tickets area. Now that you have successfully opened a support ticket, you can return to the Support and Tickets section at any time to keep track of updates. If you need to add more information, follow the options available in your ticket view, as the interface will guide you on how changes are handled. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.